No worries. Look, there's a yellow button here. See it? Take the car key, insert it, and press down. You don't need to step on the brake to shift gears. After shifting, let's put this dust cover down. Okay, that's good now. Why spend $800 on towing? What for? This is just an emergency feature on your car. There are many more functions like this. Let me explain. For instance, if you find the car door won't open, don't panic. Let's squat down. On the left front door under the handle, there's a small hole. Let's use the key to pry it up. Then you can remove this cover. After that, inside there's a mechanical lock. Insert the key and turn. See? The door can be opened now. The door wouldn't open because the key battery was dead. With a dead key, many cars won't start at all. If this happens, what should you do? Don't worry, let's open the key's back cover. Inside there's a button battery. Take it out. Then buy a same model battery for a couple bucks. Put the new battery in and close the cover. Now, try starting the car again. See? The car starts up now. Over time, the screen might freeze up and become hard to use. Don't panic. Press and hold the power and menu buttons. The screen will force a restart. Look, it's working like new again. If you find the fuel cap won't open while refueling, don't worry, there's a solution. First, let's open the trunk. On the fuel cap side, find this small window. Twist and pull it. It'll open up. Inside, there's a golden pull string. See it? Reach in and pull it with your hand. All right, now go check it out. See? The fuel cap can be opened now. If you're trapped in the car, don't panic. In the back seat, find this button. See it? Press it down to fold the rear seats. Then you can climb into the trunk. Hand me the phone. In the trunk, find this small hole on the door handle. Below it, there's an arrow. Take the key and slide it gently in the arrow's direction. If you don't have the key, other keys work too. Insert it and slide gently. Great. Now you can open the trunk and escape. If you have elderly or children at home, make sure to show them this video to prevent accidents. How about that? Isn't it simple? Follow us for daily car tips and knowledge.